It's hot. I need to hydrate because I'm about to die. First things first, my voice is out. My voice is out. So maybe I should whisper to you guys. We're just gonna do it this way because this in and out isn't gonna work for me. Some Moxi Lolly skates, and I can't wait. Usually I'm balling on a budget, but today I thought, why not? So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see if they fit. And I'm not gonna do too much talking because this is already annoying, if you feel me. So let's get to it. Oh yes. Oh. Y'all are so lucky I cannot be loud because my voice is gone, because I'll be really hollering and making some noise right now. This just already feels so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this thing's heavy. My arms are fragile. I've been working out and going to a job. I'm fragile. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's just open it. Oh. 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 Oh my goodness, they feel so good. They got the skate tool in. I mean, not skate tool, but you know, the crap. Got me some laces. This thing kind of heavy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put some laces on and see if they fit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gotta come to you like this. Okay, let's see if I can put you down over here. Oh, you scared me.
I heard. Is that gone?
last time I went around, my toe thingy came out, flipped, fell on my butt. I was like, with that big booty. That big booty helped me. See, I don't know if they're too loose. I think they're too tight now. I don't know. Daughter, you can be fired until you have kids. Yeah, that's it. Fired. No rehired. Oh god. Gotta hold this thing in a way where it won't drop. We're gonna see if I can catch the chair while holding y'all. So let's go. The chair. This is like a oh my god. Somebody save me. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all can see me. Got my little knee pads on. It's alright. They're right. Oh, I gotta take these knee pads off. Like, this is killing me already. Oh, yes. Relief. Oh. Okay, I do want to let you guys know that I really do like these skates. I finished up this video probably 2, maybe 3 weeks after I got them. Let me put them up, by the way, while I'm talking. Hold on, I need to see if something's in the bearings because they were kind of going slow for a moment. Oh no. Put these away. I'm keeping the box, I don't care what y'all say. Looks fine to me. Put these away. I do want to let you guys know I really do like those skates. They feel really soft. They feel really soft. They feel really good on the ground. But as a beginner, do I think they're worth it for me as a beginner? Not really, because, you know, if you don't really know what you're doing and you start off with those type of skates, you're just going to be prone to getting the same type of skates, or like expensive skates only, or like really high brands, because if you get a cheaper skate, just because you want to try it out, you may look down on it, where I don't even feel it's necessary to, you know, jump this high as far as in buying skates that expensive, because I got the skates for $369. I do want to say the only thing that kind of irritated me about these skates, because let's be clear, I'm a beginner, so I really don't have a lot of room to have an opinion, but I watched a video on somebody explaining like what to look for in your skates, what they like about their skates, and like things to check when you get your skates. One of them was a roll check, and you're supposed to push your skates forward and, you know, see if as long as they go straight, you're good to go. My left skate was fine, but my right would turn. So that's kind of irritating. But as a beginner, if I didn't do like so much research, and anything I buy, I do a lot of research. But as a beginner, if I didn't do so much research, I wouldn't even know that, and I would probably be just skating like normal. But I do know that like it takes a lot for my right foot to kind of get away from my left foot at all times, where my left foot is prone to going straight. My right foot is like having to like, you know, get a sense of direction. So as a beginner, I feel like that's really hard on me. And I don't really, I can't say a lot about that because, you know, as a beginner, not a lot of people know that. And I only know this because I've done a lot of research and they explained this to me, and yeah. But as a beginner skater and starting off with some Moxi Lollies, They were very expensive. I wanted to real quick explain why I got the Moxi Lollies instead of a cheaper skate. I'm gonna go big or go home. I tried to make sure I buy quality things so I can only buy them one time and not have to keep buying different types of skates or different types, whatever I buy. I only want to purchase it relatively once. So I don't like to make small purchases that you could have ended up having that one big purchase and you don't have to do too much. You don't have to change out too many things or anything like that. So but that's the main reason why I wanted to get the Moxi Lollies. I've watched a lot of reviews. A lot of people say, if you can afford this, get this, but as a beginner skate you should probably get something else. So yeah, I made that decision. Do I regret it? No, because now I have a quality skate, a skate that I could compare to other skates and see what I like about this skate more than other skates and everything like that. Am I going to be buying more Moxi Lollies and stuff like that? Maybe later on down the line in the future, like when I learn how to really skate really good, I may buy another pair. But for now, I'll probably just get, maybe more affordable skates, because right now I'm a beginner and I don't feel the need to have to buy Moxi Lollies, buy this and that. So I want to make this video for beginners, people who don't really know what they're doing yet and they have the money to buy, bougie skates or anything like that. If you're new, save your money. If you have the money, you can go ahead and get it so you can at least have them. But I am looking forward to getting more affordable skates to practice in, so I'm also not wearing down my Moxi Lollies too much and then I have to replace them sooner than later. So I want to have flexibility and to change up things with my outfits. So but other than that, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below to let me know that you want to see more content like this. I like to have different hobbies, like that are behind the scenes, but if you guys want me to start bringing them up front to the scene so y'all can see, that's cool. That's what's up. I can do that. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video.